Kajingpa yaki application na gabenta Jingpynrung kam Pulit kan long lingba ka online bat kan Sdang nadu ka sitarik uyayong. Haba yakren bat kelat patai kubor u Director General of Police u Dr. R.L. Bisnoy ulaong bakane kande ka Jingpynrung kam kaba he tam haka history jong ka Meghalaya Police bat enam pengklain susu ya ka Meghalaya Police dapalat lai hajar ngut ki Pulit. Ula penting naru bahkan umdan keno ka jingle thok nele boy tu lingba ka transparent recruitment process TRP. DGP ulaong hadin bala de pelong ke election MP kate Jingpynrung kam kan Sdang ban yaj bah shikmat ka Jingpynrung kam Pulit na kebenta ki lai hajar chispa tele ki kam ki bala lai Meghalaya Police kan Sdang no Shen lai thu ba kate Jingpynrung kam ka kenthop ya new phonriu tele ki post hak unarmed branch sub inspectors 6,000 aspas posan unarmed branch constables but 6,000 rius pa lai penyotali haka armed branch constable. Kadek Jingpynrung kam kalong haki santali ki sector kabakan thop ya ka first battalion hamauyong kaban pit ya ka ne ka thain ka second MLP na kementa ka West Garo Hills ka third battalion hasap sein na kementa ka Jante Hills ka fourth battalion ha Sopeng na kementa ka West Khasi Hills pat ka fifth battalion ha William Nagar na kementa ka East but South Garo Hills.
In the recruitment, we have hired a private firm where all the tests will be conducted and the CCTV will be installed in the grounds and the chips will be installed to the candidates and immediately timing will be shown in the computers and at the end of the day, every candidate appeared in the recruitment will be given mark sheet and they will know immediately how much is their score. And depending on that, they can calculate that whether I will qualify or not. So this is the one mechanism, and the private firm will install all the electronic gadgets in the recruitment ground. Absolutely, there will be transparency, and absolutely there is no scope of any manipulation in this procedure. So this we call it TRP, Transparent Recruitment Procedure. So this TRP, and if you are willing, we can invite you during the recruitment also, and you can see with your own eyes how the recruitment is going on, where everything is transparent. So we will ensure 100% transparency, and the candidates will be selected only and only on the basis of the merit. The app will be open from the 1st April, their application receipt will start, and once all the candidates will apply, after that, their centers and admit card and will be issued subsequently. So maybe after election, the recruitment process will be in full swing, and you are welcome to visit the recruitment centers and see how the procedure is going on. So this is regarding the recruitment, and this will be the largest recruitment in the history of the Meghalaya Police. Nowhere earlier 3,100 people were taken at one go. So Meghalaya Police will be further strengthened by more than 3,000.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center